Your email agent just replied in Punjabi. You never taught it Punjabi. Here's how. And it took me only 2 extra nodes.
If you built the email agent from my last video, you already have a smart assistant that reads and replies to emails. Today, we're giving it a superpower. It can now understand any language. Let's build it.
Real scenario. Someone emails your business in Punjabi. Your current agent either breaks or, worse, replies in English, and the person just leaves. This upgrade fixes that. With 2 translate nodes and 0 extra AI cost, we're using the same model we already have. This one's actually a follower request. A few of you asked after the last video whether the email agent could reply in languages other than English. So today, we're building exactly that. Quick note before we dive in, this build is an extension of my original email reply agent template. Same base workflow, I've just added the translation layer on top. If you haven't seen that one yet, links in the description and pinned comment. Go grab that first, since today's build assumes you already have it. By the end of this video, you'll have a working multilingual email agent. Comment translate and I'll send you the full JSON workflow for free.
Same as before, IMAP trigger catches the incoming email, but right after it, I added this node. Translate to English. It auto-detects whatever language the email is written in and converts it before it ever touches the AI agent.
This is the trick. You don't need a multilingual AI model. You just need to normalize the input. English in, English processed.
Quick gut check. Drop a comment with a language you'd want this to support. I'll pin the most requested one.
Edit fields just cleans up the JSON, so the agent gets exactly what it needs. Sender, subject, translated body. Nothing new here if you watched my email reply agent. Link in the description and pin comment. The AI agent itself is unchanged. Same Gemini model, same simple memory node holding the last 2 exchanges, so it remembers context mid-conversation. That's the beauty of this build. We're not rebuilding the brain, we're just changing what it hears and how it speaks.
Here's the part everybody skips and then wonders why their agent breaks. Translate back to original. This takes the agent's English reply and converts it back to the same language the email came in. Not just a language, the exact original. Then, the if node checks whether the reply is actually valid before sending. If it fails that check, it doesn't send garbage to your customer. It routes to a fallback instead.
This one if node is the difference between cool demo and production ready. Most tutorials skip it. I'm not most tutorials. If you've ever had an automation send something embarrassing to a real customer, comment oops and tell me what happened. I read every'll skip it, and I'm using the best ones in a blooper video.
Let's just run it. I'm sending this in Punjabi right now. Watch the canvas and replies back. Same language, natural, in under 10 seconds.
That's the whole build. 2 translate nodes and 1 if node turned a single language agent into a global one. If you want the ready to import JSON, comment translate below and subscribe. I'll DM it to you. See you in the next one.